Hey everybody, Jim Malone here from Dallas Trading Floor. Well, interestingly enough, Walmart had some very good numbers, very good earnings. It's kind of amazing considering all this inflation. But Costco is the one that I think we ought to be looking at. And I'm put together a bull put spread on Costco. Interestingly enough, Costco is doing very well in this inflationary market. And just want to show you some of the numbers and also this trade. It's a bull put spread. The date of this video is May 16th, 2024. Walmart basically gave a optimistic outlook for a little bit of a dip in inflation. I know this is amazing, but that is what that's what Walmart's showing. Now, interestingly enough, Costco on May 8th indicated that overall sales rose 7% from a year ago. This is very strong considering this general overall market with high inflation. And it follows an April announcement of a 9% gain. So very strong. And we're starting to see Costco ramp up. Interestingly enough, one of the interesting things that has been driving traffic to the Costco stores has been their program of selling gold bars. Interestingly enough, Costco sells gold bars. So if you want to buy gold, it's it's an inflationary time. A lot of people are buying gold as a protection. You can go into Costco and you can actually order gold bars. And this has definitely improved their foot traffic. So my guess is that we're going to see a strong summer season for Costco. So here's what I'm doing. I'm putting on a bull put spread. And let me show you the charts and see if you're interested in this trade. As of yesterday, Costco's buy point has risen basically to between 783 and 846. Now, what is a buy point? Well, a buy point is when a stock makes a higher high. And of course, as a CanSlim trader, we want to be buying as a stock is making a higher high, and that's definitely the case. Resistance for Costco is about at 800, and that represents kind of the new higher high. You can see it came up out of this cup, it moved up to about 800, pulled back down below, got support at the 50-day moving average, and then has moved up very nicely. This is the weekly chart that we're looking at here. But so currently, when this slide was taken, Costco was selling at $797.32 a share, up about 1.29% for the day, or about $10.13. So as it moves beyond this 800, this represents an interesting opportunity. You'll notice that the composite rating for Costco, and this is the stock against the rest of the market, is about 92 against 99. So very strong. Considering this is not a technology stock, but a retail stock, this is quite remarkable. As you can see, when this particular slide was taken, Costco was right at 801.21. So 800 really kind of represents the resistance here. So as Costco moves through the resistance, I think we ought to be able to make a very nice trade, a very nice spread trade on puts. Here's how I constructed the bull put spread. I first bought the 740 put. I bought six of those, and I simultaneously sold the 745 put. And basically the net of this with 6 contracts is $438. And this goes right into my account at $438. Now, basically what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to hang on to this amount and close either the contracts early or let them go to expiration. The credit here, $438, and then the maximum risk on this, if Costco went down to 745 before the expiration of these contracts, that's the 21st of June, then I could potentially lose as much as $2,562. But of course, we would always close early before that. So if the stock were to go down to 545, I would immediately close the trade. And that way, as you can see, as it gets closer to the expiration, the potential that we have to give back is reduced. And if we go all the way to the expiration, we would make $438 $38. Now, this represents a approximately 17% return on the time period, or about $169 per annum. The probability of profit on this trade, I'm calculating at about 81.1%. So kind of a really good trade. I'll probably be talking about this one later. I'll come back and we'll take a look at this trade as it moves forward, and I'll show you when I either close it or just keep it open. So kind of an interesting trade on Costco. It's something that you might want to take a look at. I'm going to be presenting, of course, other trades here as well, but this is a trade. It's a limited risk trade that puts money into your account right away. It's a bull put spread. If you're interested in learning more about option trades and trading in general, scan the QR code to my right, and you'll be signed up on Dallas Trading Floor on our menu. Thanks for taking a look. Hope to see you soon. This is Jim Malone signing out for Dallas Trading Floor.